In business news today, it looks like Starbucks is going to be installing needle or syringe drop boxes in select restaurants or select locations. It's been about 8 months since that whole debacle happened at Starbucks, and Starbucks wound up making that big PR move and declaring their bathrooms open to the public. Some people way back then kind of predicted something like this would happen, and it looked like it only took about 8 months to happen. But I saw another article from about a month back on, what was this from? Legal Insurrection. They talk about the Starbucks new bathroom policy is not working out as hoped. And they say it's been 7 months since a famous purveyor of caffeinated confection, Starbucks, declared their bathrooms open to the public. And they say it's not working out quite how they maybe had hoped for. This, a lot of toilets are blocked or barricaded for no reason. A lot of restaurants are having signs outside, restrooms closed. Let's see, a rope and barricade, another one, restrooms are closed. Starbucks workers say that they are encountering hypodermic needles on the job nearly every day, and they've had to take antiviral medications to protect themselves from HIV and hepatitis. I suppose you open your bathrooms to anyone and everybody and have a totally open policy, you're going to get people, kind of using drugs in there and things like that. So looks like that's what's happened. Let's see. The article goes on to say Starbucks is installing needle disposal boxes in some bathrooms, as well as exploring other solutions to workers' concerns regarding improperly discarded syringes and the related health risks. More than 3,700 people signed a petition on coworker.org calling for Starbucks to place needle disposal boxes in high-risk bathrooms. Starbucks workers reported finding blood and needles in bathrooms, as well as being pricked by improperly discarded needles, risking exposure to HIV and hepatitis. The decision to install needle boxes or sharps boxes in Starbucks locations could help prompt change in the restaurant industry, making workers safer amid the opioid epidemic. So kind of a crazy story there. I suppose it's good if it protects workers, but that's pretty crazy that we need needle drop boxes in Starbucks bathrooms. So I'll go ahead and link to this article in the description box below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are not subscribed, and we will catch you on the next video.